Steve here at West Green. I'm looking at my A4 tender, which I've done a bit more work on it. I had to, I made, like everything, I got a few blemishes. There was a bit of a lump up here, so I rubbed that back this morning with some wet and dry, so I've got to reprime that. I knew I had a few lumps here, so that's milliput putty. So I'll let that dry for about 4 hours or whatever it is till it's rock hard, and then I will give it a sand and a recoat. I've been thinking about what paint to use. It's going to be BR green, and I've got various cans of BR green. But before I go, I want to tell you about this. This is the drawbar, so it fits through one of the front fixing screws. I think it's a 6BA screw, it doesn't really matter, but it is. So it's not the best idea, but what you have to do, obviously if you tighten this down on a screw, it won't move. So sometimes kits provide a collar what goes over there, so it tightens down and it's free to move. But this one's a bit different. So what they do, what I suggest you do, and it's probably a daft idea, I think it's a daft idea, is they provide a washer, and you have to open up the washer and solder it to the top of the cheesehead screw without getting it in there. That way, this goes through the body of the cheesehead screw and is not hard against the bottom of it, and it's free to move. Probably, well, I just think it's a bad idea, but anyway, I've done it. So there you go. Just about ready to get some paint on. Let's talk about paint. I like talking about paint, do you? It's funny what cameras and whatnot and light do to your board. This looks blue, doesn't it? It's actually green. Wonder if it's just this fluoro light. It looks a bit more green, so obviously the colour temperature. Well, it still looks a bit blue, doesn't it? Maybe it's the other fluoro light. Let's turn that off, see what that does. So I get some natural light. It still looks blue. It's green. I'm telling you. Trust me, it's green. Anyway, so we'll turn this light on. So I've got various colours. I don't know where I can't remember where I got those from. Oh, that's maroon. Maroon. That's from the Quad Arts. I don't know where I got these from. Don't know when I bought them. Rail Match. BR Loco Green. It doesn't say if it's post or pre. 1954. Oh, there's my clock. 11:45. So I got that. Then I've got. Now, seeing as I live in Australia, you can't get this delivered here for love nor money. Although there is a mob called Outlaw Paints, which are made here, and they make acrylic lacquer BR Loco Green. I haven't tried it. I've got no idea what it's like. Some reckon it's pretty good. The only problem I've got with acrylic lacquer is, I believe, and it's really for airbrushing, is you can airbrush it, but you can't paint it by hand, which is fine until you need to touch something up. So the jury's out on that one. So I got, on my recent trip to the UK this year, I got myself 5 tins of post 1954 BR Loco Green. I don't know what the difference is between that and pre. Plus, then I've got 3. Hang on, that's post as well. Don't know where I got that one from. That one's been opened. It says post. These ones are ancient. Oh no, pre 1954. So I've got 3 tins of pre. Oh, that's post. Sorry, that's post 94. I've got 2 tins of pre 1954 Loco Green as well. So I can spray the A4 tender with that. Still got the A4 to build. It's up here. I've got to finish this. So It's another job, isn't it, eh? But I'm getting there. So that's it. That's it from me. That's what I'm doing. It's goodbye from me and good for... No, that was a two Ronnie. It's goodbye from me. It's goodbye from me and goodbye from Mr. Seaver Subramaniam, my alter ego at West Green. So these are ready for the paint shop. Just got to find my Tamiya masking tape. Because I painted the buffer beam, so I want to mask that up. I hate brush painting over black with red. So on the bench, I've got this. I've got part of the A4. The rest of it. I've got the rest of it here. I've got the Milky Bar casting, the front bogey. But round here, look round here. Notice I'm going slowly because I'm professional. As if. So around here, I've got this is the A4 chassis. I started ages ago. So I'm going to finish this. I've got to finish. Things I've got to do. I've got to finish this. I've got to finish that. Got to get a chip in here in my C1. This I finished this ages ago, but I've still got the inside to put in, which I haven't done. Got two more of those to build. And down here, I've got four cars of an 8-car quad art set. I'm still building. The other 4's in there, which I haven't finished. Started. So there you go. This is an MSC motor gearbox. Anyway, time to onwards and upwards with it.